Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. Whenever Jamaica ceases to have an arrangement with the IMF, the opposition spokesman on finance, Mark Goling, is recommending the establishment of a body like EPOC to keep government on track. He was making his presentation in the budget debate on Tuesday.
This will help to maintain the people's confidence and the confidence of local and international investors and observers in Jamaica's economic management. It will make permanent what has become an important national institution in ensuring that Jamaica never slips back into large deficits and mounting debt. It will continue to complement and enhance the fiscal responsibility framework that is already enshrined in our law. Mr. Speaker, our people have sacrificed too much for too long, and we must maintain the institutions that we have created that have shown that they are effective and have broad support across the society.
Caribbean Cement Company Limited is planning to more than double its gypsum and limestone quarries. The move is aimed at supplying raw materials that are now described as hovering at critical low levels. The plan requires approval from the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. Caribbean Cement spokeswoman Sophia Low-Pinnock says from a mining perspective, low levels of raw materials can equate to several years of supplies, even as much as 20 years. However, the cement producer is yet to comment on the size of the investment to be made in the expansion project and expected timeline for its execution. Its quarries are operated through subsidiary Jamaica Gypsum and Quarries Limited. Grace Kennedy Group hopes to include self-checkout machines at its high-low food stores across the island in keeping with strategic goals to become a global consumer group. Grace Kennedy's group CEO, Don Webby, says in addition to launching the high-low online shopping portal by year-end, Grace Kennedy reckons that with the right capital investment and training, self-checkout machines could prove a win-win situation for both consumers and the high-low brand. Last September, the company completed renovation at the Portmore Pines High-Low Food Store, following unscheduled completion of High-Low Manor Park in 2014, Barbican in 2015, and both Ligony and Montego Bay in 2016. The renovation exercise will continue on a phased basis for the 13 high-low stores across the island at a cost of $8 million. The renovation of High-Low Crossroads in Kingston is slated for completion this year, and the Spanish Town branch shortly after, as Grace Kennedy seeks to match best-in-class standards of some of the most successful markets in North America. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 466 points to close at 303,239. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 48 stocks, of which 21 advanced, 22 declined, and 5 traded firm. The Junior Market Index declined by 52 points to close at 2,899. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Siboney Group, and Elite Diagnostic. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Blue Power Group, and C2W Music. Stocks traded firm for Dolphin Cove, Jamaica Teas, Pulse Investments, Radio Jamaica, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited. Lasco Distributors Limited was the volume leader with over 5 million units, followed by Jamaica Producers with over 3 million units and Wisynco Group Limited with over 2 million units. On the foreign exchange market, $128.63 is the average selling rate for the American currency. It's costing $100.29 for the Canadian dollar, while the pound sterling is trading at $176.17 and the euro for $156.16. News in oil. Oil prices dipped on Wednesday in choppy trade as a bigger-than-expected U.S. crude stock build pressured prices, but large draws of fuel stocks provided some support. U.S. crude stocks rose by 5 million barrels, the biggest jump since late January. The U.S. Energy Information Administration, EIA, said expectations had been for a 2 million barrel build. The effect was offset somewhat by a larger-than-expected draw on fuel stocks. Brent crude futures were down 18 cents to $64.46 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI futures were down 9 cents at $60.62 per barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.